Hi, good day. This is Alex from Internet Real Secret. Today, this cloud apps is called GoNews. GoNews, basically GoNews. This in front of me, this is sales page of GoNews. Basically, this is a cloud app which actually is a site builder, right? You can actually configure a few things, a thing you want to monetize, like you can actually uh, have put in the accent, the monetize from the accent display, or can actually put in some clickbait affiliate, value plus affiliate. You can actually build in the affiliate store inside there, right? And it's multiple income of monetize, right? So just take a look at this sales breakthrough money making site builder plug and profit news. There's not much thing you need to actually change. Once you log in, you just need to have a few clicks to set up a few important things, right? You can even integrate for the autoresponders. Yeah, most of the autoresponder is being supported. Right? So it said it's a new Go News cloud builder, e-commerce store and affiliate store building. Unlimited free hosting include, correct? Right, you don't have to need your free on hosting. They will actually assign the URL. You just need to input the site name, then they build the URL for you. Okay, no calling, beginner friendly, no money fee, click by individual, built in, extend the profit, set up your own custom domain. You can set up your own custom domain, but it's an option, right? Okay, so it's going to be launched soon today. Three simple steps, right? Latest new. Okay, step one, last training new news dashboard bring to you the latest easy click news post, right? You can pin. This is to set up your day at last training new monetization. Set up your monetizations. Um, Okay, affiliate offer with 50% commission, e-com product and extend to get paid, right? Ready, all new sites active and ready. There's a complete video tutorial we show you step by step how to do this, right? So it's really straightforward. There's no complicated step here. Everything is done for you. Just follow the step, right? Okay, so new website, you can have a news website, easy profile. It's a really this very attractive sales page as a testimonial here, right? GoNews, so okay, so this can bring a lot of sales, right? A lot of traffic from when you have a site, you can actually drive a lot of website traffic, right? There's a lot of way you can actually do this, right? To get a lot of traffic from website. When you have a website, there's a lot of possibility can be done inside the website itself, right? Okay, so let me quickly bring you to the member area of this. So once you actually purchase this product, you will opt in, you will see something like this. There's an instruction, training and support, right? So here is a member area welcome video. Subscribe to webinar. There's going to be a webinar soon on register to the GoNews. This is going to the cloud builder side. I think I'll show you. Get your affiliate link. Okay, so this is a part you actually need to actually spend a little bit time to actually to get your clickbank ID, stream store, bash, because all these are the affiliate going to monetize inside the site you're going to build, right? So you need to get this all these so-called affiliate setup, right? You need to apply. The other thing is quite straightforward. Just set up the affiliate link. Okay, so here you need to register to the Go News or the first time user. You register, put in your name, your email ID. Then you need to actually give a site your site name, something you probably can put your name also. Example like this site. Okay, so your site will end up by this link, right? Okay, your store name and the login name. Okay, so you need to remember your site link, this link, and your login name are also password. Okay, so once you log in here, you created a site. You come into something like this, right? Okay, so on the left hand side there is a trending now. Trending now basically is to show on your site the what's a trending topic here. Okay, right? So you can actually so these are the trending news here. You can actually schedule it, pause it now, or elite. Okay, you can just say click elite, right? Okay, so you can actually edit this one. It means you can edit the content of this new rewrite the post, there's a rewriter built-in also. Okay, or you go on, you can just pause a new. You can click the pause now or schedule it. It means schedule means when you want to pause it. Okay, schedule means when to pause it or pause to which group. Yeah, so this is actually you need to pick and choose which trending pause you want to display, right? Okay, so that's the way how the whole thing is being set up here. Okay, so also there's business. Let's say you choose what business. Okay, so that's basically how it works, and also you can actually look at this new, and once you actually pause it to the example, if I just go and pause it now, I pause it to general learning, right? Okay, I pause it now. I don't even edit it, so I go to my site. So under general learning, you should be seeing this, right? Yeah, exactly. This is the one we paused just now, Planet Rock now, right? Okay, so you see, it's so simple. You can actually have a lot of content. The site is so beautifully set up, and there's nothing you need to do actually, except just go to the trending news and also just pick up the news you want to, uh, uh, the trending news, so you can actually post it to under your site. Okay, so there's a site outline, there's a few things you can customize also. The design it's look like a WordPress. If you have used a WordPress before, it's something like when you're setting up a WordPress term, but this one is much easier than set up a site term. You can actually a lot of things you can customize the header, the logo, everything is click only, so it's really straightforward, and it's very clear. Calendar design. Okay. Okay, so this is can have see the calendar of ad news. Or this way you schedule the pause when you're going to pause a news, things like that. So you can see the calendar here, and also there's a design. Okay, so the design is allow you to change the design of the page, right? Everything can be done. This building is where you can customize you can configure your autoresponder, subscriber setting, everything can be done here, right? Okay, so this way, how easy is it? Local list or set the local list, okay? Or you can connect it to a third party via integration page and activate, okay? And then you can configure to available get responder, okay? To actually to capture mm, uh, your actually email into the autoresponder like available. There's a long list of the almost everything is being supported. Okay, so the next thing is you need to get your app, right. App is here. Okay, app data, all this is to configure your app, right. Okay, so app can be configured here, and also manage your advertisement. Yeah, this is how this thing come in. So here is where you actually configure some. Okay, let's say click inside, or you can add new. Okay, so this is where you configure all your banner. Say click add new, you can actually add in the new banner of the affiliate. Okay, so it is here. You see, activate app code. Everything's here. Then widgets, you can configure the widgets. So this one's configure will appear under your site. Okay, so that's why in this uh, member page, actually you have to sign up all this, because all this automatically you're going to come to here to configure all the new advertisement, right? Okay, so some setting pause. It's pretty much a very standard like so-called WordPress. A WordPress platform, they have used a WordPress before. It's really very standard to them, right? And the plugin, but this one is very smooth. All this interface, and it's really good to have, and much better than normal WordPress before. Yeah, so that's it. I think it's a built-in done from your site, and you need to configure and auto responder, affiliate links, banner, those kind of thing, and Google Ads is also. There's a complete video will show you how to do this end to end, right? Okay, there's a training module here. Click here. So the training module is build your GoNews. Okay, okay. So this one is a training. It can be done here. Okay. So inside here, for tutorial how to use the solar to display. So it's a tutorial here. Okay. Yeah. So it's all here. The training is being the registration of the GoNews site, general setting, this building. Everything is being expanded into. Yeah, there's a couple of videos here. So good. So good. It's well explained everything. So I mean only even the layman movie. Yeah, and that's it. I think maybe the video is good. Okay. So that's about it. The 9.5 over 10 rating for this GoNews. Reason being, I see this drag and drop site builder is very friendly. All these tutorial step-by-step videos being populated, and there are many ways of actually you can monetize accent. You can have e-com store or affiliate store built-in also, right? Just now I show you there's an area you can put the setup. You can set up everything here under the app, and this how to do this is well explained also. You can have a fine detail video to explain how to actually set all these things outside of there, right? So con I can't actually but it may need a lot of targeted traffic to rank the site because once website is something you need time to drive traffic. You need to actually rank it, or you need to have a lot of backlink, okay, to backlink to the site. Okay. So inside bonuses, I have a couple of bonuses. So this is a creator, $27 the front end, and it's launching today. Okay, so there's a couple of OTO here. GoNews traffic. Okay, this is a F1 FE is a complete site builder. GoNews traffic is a price is something powerful GoNews software and training module. Okay, this one is dead. Okay, this is more on getting more traffic from the social media side. Okay, so this is how it being done also. GoNews Club, and you can build unlimited site. Okay, this is unlimited one. So the one is only limited to only one site. GoNews Club, post one content for any site. Okay, this one can actually grab auto grab wallet content for any city. Write the content in one click. Okay, GoNews Store, import all the data product including variation. Okay, search for min. Okay, so all this is okay. Import data, and GoNews agency is 197. Personally, I would recommend you to have the front end and also this GoNews traffic. Yeah, if you want to have unlimited, then you can go for the upsell tool. Else, you may just have this tool will be quite sufficient for you to have a good uh, uh, copy of this GoNews. So ready to crash the GoNews. Okay, this fully monetized site builder convert measure editor traffic into lead commission and sales. So there's the content, the training content is built in. You can grab a training content. So your site could have unlimited continued content to drive a lot of traffic to the site. So once the traffic comes to the site, you actually go and purchase the product in the e-com or the affiliate store, and you actually make a commission. So that's how you make money out of this GoNews. Okay, so there's no free hosting. You don't have to, unless you want to set an on menu, also can. It's optional. So there's no monthly fee to pay. Okay, that's one then set up, and you can also even have me email building. You can integrate the auto responder and 30-day money back guarantee. Highly recommend anyone who wishes to have on this site with auto contact update and multiple income. So that is a point here. I highly recommend anyone if you wish to have multiple income built into a site, and you don't have to crack a head to build to get the content of your site, and you had how to design your site. Everything is being prepared and have been designed for you in a nicely feel and also nicely user interface, right? Okay, so below here is my bonuses, right? First thing first, I'm giving you I'm actually giving this very insane bonus to you. This is actually one of my fiber service. I'll be sending you 200,000 SEO backlink to your GoNews page, right? And this is going to help you to rank your GoNews page out. And but with a lot of backlink, and ultimately you're going to get a lot of organic traffic from all this backlink. I think it's only I have this kind of offer or this kind of bonuses, right? Okay, because I'm a fiber service, this is one of my fiber services, so I'm going to give you as part of the bonuses on the first hour. Second is Whisper is one of the drag and drop video creation app. This one actually can get you a lot of traffic, lead and sales. You can create an app, upload to your YouTube channel and drive the traffic, right? Okay. Also, okay, Step iShop is again another cloud-based affiliate store builder, right? So these complements which able you have for the GoNews, and it's no harm you have another affiliate store, right? More affiliate store, and you are going to have more exposure, right? Okay, Audition is another way to actually to cloud app to generate awarded quiz, survey, podcast scope, and all this can be integrated into your website to get um, more lead and also more sales. Both engage is to create a different kind of chatbot and great visitor attention to make more sales. Right? Again, I have also have some hack to share with you. Website hack to double triple sale. You can apply this hack into any of your site. As long as it's written in HTML, right? And you can actually apply this to actually to get you more sales and triple double your sale. Okay, the next one is also traffic related. It's about how to line your YouTube video to get more view, subscriber, and ultimately make more sales. So this is my bonuses here. Against Grow secret is traffic hack also. A traffic plugin software to actually to grow your Instagram account with a targeted auto follower. So once a follower grow, you can use your Instagram account to make sale. You even can share your this GoNews link inside your Instagram account. Send the people. Those people will actually come and visit your site, and actually ultimately going to get a lot of traffic from this Instagram account by using this method. Right? Against email nominations, you have a subscriber from opt in from this GoNews site, and this subscriber you have to follow up in it. So this one will actually help you to learn more about email marketing, how to actually follow up with all these subscribers, and not just for your GoNews site. It can applicable for any of the others visitors coming into your list, right? Also, exclusive email chat and headline, you can use this to actually to blast email to your Make Money Online subscriber, and also you don't have to think about how to write an email. Subject killer, you can make use of this automate email short file to do whichever thing you want. Okay, the last one is 200 courses with this special bonus. This is have a Make Money Online video course software app plugin, or some are ebook. Most of the Make Money Online video course, training course or app are from the top marketer, their previous product, right? Okay, we have sold million, thousands of copy, right? So it's part of the bonuses here. So I'm giving all this as one of the package here together with this GoNews. Okay, so this is about my review of the GoNews today. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and just click the link below this video. You're going to come to this review page. Inside the review page, just click on any of the red button, and you are going to go to this GoNews sales page, right? So once you purchase a finance on the GoNews, you are going to get the full access to this site builder, really nice color, really nice looking interface builder, and also with my all the bonuses inside my debut page, right? So remember, okay, I have already limited bonuses here. To act fast, and actually click the link below this video. You are going to get all these. I think there are more than 200 bonuses. There are even some of the you have to get it within the 12 hour. First 12 hour going to get this. Okay, right? So this is about my presentation today about this GoNews fantastic site builder. Really nice looking. The site builder is going to make you a lot of money from the affiliate, from the accent, right? Okay, thank you. Bye.